What are the best AI tools for interior design? Need help using AI for your project? Which AI features benefit your projects most? AI is everywhere. But did you know it can make your interior design projects faster, easier, and more efficient? Whether you need to upload a 3D model from a photo or generate an entire floor plan in just minutes, these 5 AI tools will help bring your vision to life. Before we get started, Planner 5D is offering a special Valentine's Day deal. You can get a 30% discount on both the monthly and yearly subscriptions of the Pro membership. This is only available until February 16th, so make sure to check the link in the description to take full advantage of that deal while you can. You know what else is a really good deal? Like, such a good deal that it's actually free? Clicking that like button. I know. You're welcome. First things first, we need a layout. With Upload a Plan, you can take a simple hand-drawn sketch or an actual blueprint and convert it into a realistic 3D model. This is super helpful because it'll save you time instead of recreating your entire floor plan from scratch. And it ensures accuracy. This is available to our Pro users, so if you want to try it, make sure to check out the 7-day free trial. Next, we have 2 features that have similar functions but work best in different scenarios. And first up is the Smart Wizard. This is a great option if you're starting from scratch and just want to get a design into the room. There are different room layouts that you can choose from with the flexibility to adjust the dimensions and style. One tip that I'd like to share is that you can use the Smart Wizard just to get the style of furniture you like into the room. Sometimes I'm feeling a little lazy and I don't want to go through the entire Planner 5D catalog, so this is a great way to get those pieces into the room and then I can redecorate however I need. With the AI designer, you have the same convenience, but it's best used on an existing floor plan, like the one we just uploaded. If you have an open floor plan, I recommend adding smaller rooms and hiding the walls and floor. This will just ensure that the AI designer keeps everything consolidated where you want it. And just like the Smart Wizard, there are so many design options to choose from. Okay, this should be the feature you are most excited about. If there's a specific piece of furniture you can't find in the Planner 5D catalog, you can just upload it. You can upload custom 3D models that you found online, or now, thanks to AI, you can just upload a picture. We do have a previous video going over this in more detail, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. I can't tell you how much I love this feature. Imagine you're working with a client and they have this weird chair that they want to see in their renderings. Now you can just have them send you a picture and put it right in. Something to keep in mind is to use high-quality images that have a neutral or white background. Think of the images you normally see when you're browsing stores online. This will just ensure that you get the highest quality 3D model. Also, side note, try uploading a picture of yourself. It's pretty funny. If you're looking for a little extra help on your designs, you can always ask Bernard, the AI chat available on all platforms. Bernard can answer interior design questions, guide you through how to do certain steps, fix mistakes in your project, and instantly decorate your room with just a command. If you need some quick inspiration, you can always use the design generator. To get in the Valentine's Day spirit, Planner 5D has a temporary feature where you can get rooms inspired by the holiday. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools that will help streamline your design projects and bring your vision to life. Just as a reminder, let's do a recap. With Upload a Plan, you can instantly generate a digital floor plan. The Smart Wizard and AI Designer give you AI-powered design suggestions. With Import 3D models, you can add real furniture to your projects. Let Bernard be your AI design assistant for quick advice and decorating. Have fun planning for Valentine's Day with the design generator. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about using AI in your interior design projects, and don't forget our Valentine's Day sale is available until February 16th. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!